it's Azra here and welcome to my channel. So in this video we are making this old cover into new one. For this we need any old phone case, woolen thread or yarn of any color, hot glue gun or super glue, any kind of stick or ice cream stick, scissor or paper cutter. At first we will take phone out of the cover. After removing the cover, wrap the woolen thread in the stick. Ensure that there is no gap in between each thread. Push it back if there is any gap and then repeat the same process. Apply hot glue gun in the phone cover which helps to stick it in place. Put the stick in that hot glue, press it a little bit and then with the help of scissors cut it in the top till the end. It should look somewhat like that. Again repeat the same process and don't worry about mess. We will trim it at the end. While repeating the same process, I found using paper cutter more easier than scissor and I used paper cutter instead. At the end, stick one of the section in the side. And after that, start trimming at the edge moving towards up. At the end, it turns out beautiful. You can see in the video, it is super soft. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, hit the red subscribe button and the notification icon next to it. If you have any suggestion, feel free to comment down in the comment box below. Until then.